I finally got around and ordered the rest of the skid shoes and some hardware. That's where I got the hardware from. Great place. If you don't know about them, McMaster.com. Great place to get that stuff. So I got the GEHL 2365 discbine in the garage. I'm gonna put some new shoes on it. Hey, all the new shoes are on. Oh, except this far corner one. I want to go mow today, and that one just looks miserable. Gotta get that one changed, but the rest of them are on. Go try it out.
And that's white or
well,
not if you're not white?
Just my luck. Something breaks. I welded cracks in this before, and well, evidently it didn't want to hold out today. Yeah, here we are the next day. I had to build a pad for that. That was all busted up inside of there, and do a bunch of welding, all new bolts. I'll put some new gussets in there because this is the side that broke. I think that broke out first. I really don't know. Re-welded some cracks down in there. What it really should have needed to happen is cut both of these plates right off and build new plates and weld everything back in. But I just decided to weld it and hope for the best. And I already took it out and mowed with it. And, well, it held together for now. I do believe, though, I got in a hurry. The back here, this has the springs to float the head. There's two on the gearbox side and one on this side, and the head wasn't floating at all. And I got that new corner shoe on, and with all brand new shoes with all paint on them, they had to pull more and put more force on everything, and the field here at the new farm is pretty rough. So I'm thinking between them two, the new shoes and the head that didn't float, so I got the head to float and got that all welded up. So we're good to go for now.